Amidst the whispers of a sun-kissed morning, we delve into a tale of love, resilience, and the extraordinary power of a mother's heart. Witness the transformative power of motherhood as Tina Kiley embraces the role with grace and unwavering devotion. In the quiet corners of her soul, Tina Kiley finds solace, her hands cradling the precious life within. Embark on this sacred journey where the beauty of a mother's love unfolds in every tender moment. She reflects upon the countless moments that led her to this sacred juncture, a tapestry woven with dreams, hopes, and unwavering love. In the gentle sway of her movements, we witness the rhythm of self-care, a symphony composed for her own well-being. Amidst the whirlwind of emotions, she carves out moments to nourish her spirit, for a nurtured mother bestows boundless love upon her child. Her touch, like a feather's caress, communicates a language known only to a mother and her unborn child. Around her, a symphony of love swells, an orchestra of family and friends, each note harmonizing with Tina Kiley's own melody. They stand by her side, offering unwavering support, a chorus united in celebrating the arrival of Malachi Kian. As Tina Kiley envisions the countless dreams that await her little one. In her gaze, a universe of wonder is born, and with each passing day, the bond between mother and child deepens, a love story for the ages. Embark on this sacred journey where the beauty of a mother's love unfolds in every tender moment.